What is this cave? Where's the cave? Whoa! Huh? Whoa!
It was a nightmare to be stuck on the island. But also a good dream too, kinda. You know, with her.
Okay.
Game on! Teams are rolling. Let's see where they land.
Erin, ako ba na doon? Erin, ako ba na doon? The student is then stuck in the room. Nashi? Bye-bye guys. Love you guys.
I love you.
Atlas lang natin ang app. Ang ulit na aslan.
Love you, Amanda. Love you guys. Bye-bye guys. I see my clothes guys. I will come back. Bye baby.
Bye.
Bye.
Ahmad, what time you coming home? Ano ba yung si Ahmad?
Yeah, baby. So don't rush me. Don't rush me. Wait, I will check out your bag bro.
You don't even answer my question.
Yeah, you know like I'm doing. Look, don't tell me the timing was late. I don't know. We are not going to the event. If I don't go to
What?
you have this about you have kids. I think you bought those answers. Where are you going? Yeah, what?
What's for that one?
Yeah, what? Listen, I'm telling you. You go, then go afternoon.
You know what?
Yeah, what?
Are you from the sport?
Yeah, yeah, what? So we're not going to the end. What is this for?
Aslan natin na. Kaya na, I'll check the rice. It is kong na. Aslan! You will be house what?
Double kill. Mama, look at his clothes. Mama, I love his clothes.
No, not every day. Like the situation before.
Mama, we're going outside. Mama, we're going outside. We're going outside. Mama, we're going outside.
Yeah, when and where and how and why.
Ahmad, what you will do house?
Huh?
You will do house?
Let me check first. We go to is done.
Later we check also. So come here early, we check maybe 1 o'clock and then we go direct to there. Okay?
Huh?
Let's check
But I
later.
won't go.
Let's check later, okay?
Let's see, call him first. I'll call him. We have
Kaya I call na. And then we check. Now, okay, now.
Listen, but I
What was this? Why you outside this one? This is not our family. Who's this family? Go there, go. Go. Who's this? I don't have food. What do you want? It's my toy.
I know. You know
Early
why?
morning.
I mean, you know the furniture all will catch the
Oh,
smell.
this is that.
No, open the window, please. The smell will go out. Hi, come here. Come here and see the sun. You will see the smoke.
Where's the boy? Just go. What happened in the house early morning? Where's this boy?
Quadra kill. Take down. Your team's absolutely on fire.
Ahmad Sahlan!
Dominating.
What do you want?
Corn.
You go first. Sit down na, bibilit na.
That's because we be dirty now.
It's up to if it's dirty, sure can bibilit din. Sit down at we will eat. Ito na kayo. Manda, sit down. Aliyah, go to sit down. Nana, sit down. Nana, sit down. Nana. I will not give you chocolate. Sit down. Oops.
Who said oops?
Still hot.
Are you clean? Are you clean?
She's cleaning.
He clean? He clean?
Yeah.
No, no. Mama, no, are you clean? Mama,
What clean?
are you clean?
She's clean. Oh. She's not dirty.
It's not deep in first.
You mean shower?
Yeah.
She don't shower, but she's not dirty.
Mama, don't lie.
Not clean, shower. Clean. That means she's clean. She's not dirty. Oh, she's not dirty naman. Do you ask, Mama, did Aliyah take shower? Like that.
Mama, are you take shower?
Not yet.
You lie.
Mm,
Lie for the monster. You listen for the evil. Good mama. You listen for the evil. Good teacher for listening. I love this one.